What's up, YouTube? Here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2018 Jeep Rubicon. Man, these cars are nice. Look at the hood on that. Look at that. Really nice. But let's get to it. So basically what you're going to do is come on over here to the passenger side of the vehicle. And once you get to the passenger side, it's in the glove box. So you just go ahead and pull that glove box down. You're going to see this right here. So basically you just pull up on this, up at the top. And that drops the glove box down, all the way down. And it's this right here. You take this, squeeze the tab, pull that right on out of there. There's a little slot. Take this filter, slide it on out of there. And let me go get the other filter. I meant to grab this beforehand. Look at that hood. Okay. So just like you removed that cabin filter, you're going to install that cabin filter with the airflow pointed down as you removed it. So you take this. You can twist these cabin filters any which way you absolutely need to because they're so flexible. You take that and you slide it in as long as it goes in there correctly, just like so. And that's in there perfectly. So you take this, slide that on over, make sure that goes in. Okay. There we go. You clip that back in place, and it's that simple. You take the glove box, you lift right back up. Okay, let's see. We have this that needs to go in place over here. Right there. There we go. And I hope you guys actually seen that. You have this right here that has to go. Let me pull this back down. So that slides right into that piece. If that pops out on you, which it probably will. So just be aware that that slides in there. And there you go. That's how you install a cabin filter on a 2018 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. If I helped you guys out, go ahead and shoot me a thumbs up, comments if you have any questions, and thank you.